Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to stop water runoff from a neighbor's yard. This video will show you the safe, yet effective, ways of stopping water runoff, so stick around for that. Talk to your neighbor. You may find that your neighbor is not aware that they are giving you flooding troubles. The first step would be to have a friendly chat with them and let them know about your concerns. This way you can collaborate and come up with solutions like rain gardens and French drains to solve this problem. Build a dry well. A dry well is a shallow hole with landscape fabric on the sides and filled with gravel. It acts as a water storage during heavy runoff and remains dry most times. This is a good way of preventing water runoff from neighbors' yards because when the dry well fills up, the water seeps through the permeable soil layers below and does not spill over to your yard. Plant trees. Trees and shrubs offer natural drainage and help in stopping water runoff from neighbors' yards. The amount of water that leaves a row of trees is less than the amount that floods in. This shows how plants effectively prevent runoffs. Therefore, planting your own aesthetically pleasing row of trees, shrubs, and hedges can save you a lot of trouble. Create a swale. A swale is a shallow depression in the ground that slows down fast-flowing runoff by letting the water infiltrate into the soil. They're blended with mulch or grass to prevent damage by runoff and are used to conserve water and prevent erosion. Set up a French drain. A French drain is another way to combat neighbor runoffs, whereby you dig up a trench for your drain and fill it with gravel and perforated water pipes for effective redirection of water to another area. This way, you'll stop water runoff from your neighbor's yard as well as prevent stagnant water. Build a berm. This is a small hill built along the flood path to prevent water runoff from getting into your property by absorbing the flooded water. The barrier is built with soil and some landscaping fabric or grass. You could also have a professional set it up for you. Build a retaining wall. This wall is very effective in blocking water runoff that's entering your premises at a high point with a lot of force. However, always ensure that the retaining wall is not built in an area where it will cause standing water on either side. The effect of this could be hazardous. So there you have it. Stopping water runoff from your neighbor's yard is possible. And you can always choose from the above listed methods on how to prevent water runoff effectively. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave your comments and questions in the comments section below and leave a like on this video. Till next time.